In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FundingPips to MetaTrader 5. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your MT5 over here, and then you want to hover over the top where it says File, top left, click on that, and then click on Open an Account. Here you want to look for FundingPips, so type in FundingPips like this, and click on Find Your Company. And then once you find it, you'll see there's going to be two, FundingPips Corp and FundingPips Corp 2. Usually, this normal one, the first one, is going to be the correct one, so click on it once and click on Next. After you do this, you want to click on Connect with an existing trade account. And once you see this, what you'll need is your login and password over here, but this is not the same login and password you use to actually sign in to your FundingPips account, okay? So what you're going to have to do is you want to go to your dashboard on FundingPips, and then inside the account settings, you should see your credentials to log in to MT5, okay? If you don't see that, check your email that you received once you created your FundingPips account, and then in there should be a login and a password. Now, next to this, you should also see the server, which in this case is only this one, so you can't really change it, but of course, login and password are the important two things. Just type those two in or paste them in, press on finish, and you'll successfully be connected to MT5. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.